Good morning everyone. I am ALIZA PERITO from BSBA Marketing Management, and I am here in front of you to tackle about the awareness of the students to help eliminate sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. What is STDs or sexually transmitted diseases? Sexually transmitted diseases or STDs, according to medical sources, are communicable diseases that may be transmitted from one partner to another, either through sexual activity or unhygienic practices. STDs, which are usually caused by bacteria, yeast, and parasites, can be cured by antibiotics and some other forms of medications. However, those STDs caused by viruses at this time has not found any cure yet. Around 20 types of sexually transmitted diseases have affected varied people regardless of socioeconomic status, skin color, and creed. There are 5 causes of STDs. The first one is STDs caused by bacteria. Chancroid, chlamydia, gonorrhea, granuloma inguinale, lymphogranuloma, and syphilis. Second is STDs caused by viruses. Genital herpes, genital warts, hepatitis B and D, and then frequently ACE, HIV and AIDS, and molluscum contagiosum. Third is STD caused by protozoan, trichomoniasis. Number 4 is STDs caused by fungi, jackets, and yeast infections. The last is STDs caused by parasites, public lice, crabs, and scabies. There are 6 preventing sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. First is keep a monogamous relationship. It is important to stay in a relationship with only one person or partner. Faithfulness and sincerity play a vital role in the maintenance of a healthy sexual life among adults. Second is practice abstinence. It is a truth that every person has the sexual drive or sexual urge. However, unlike the need for food, water, and the air, it can be postponed for future gratification. The same can actually result in a more responsible practice and utilization of the gift of reproduction. Third is be committed. Do not engage in the sexual activity unless you are in a relationship with responsibility and the sense of commitment. Fourth is use caution. Since it is somehow inevitable for some persons to engage in the sexual activity, it is therefore necessary to use measures to prevent being affected by sexually transmitted diseases. Safety precautions such as the use of rubber or condom can be most feasible way to prevent the spread of STDs among sexual partners. Through findings will prove that commercially produced condoms can still be 90% inefficient if not properly used. Fifth is undergo medical checkups. In order to prevent the transmission of sexually transmitted diseases, every individual, especially those engaged in active sexual activities, should undergo a regular medical checkup to maintain good reproductive health. The last is be knowledgeable about the causes, effects, and prevention of STDs. It pays to be aware of STDs, their causes, transfer to prevention to ensure that the handling and gratification of the sexual drive demands an understanding of one's responsibility to each partner. It is enough to that human need is satisfied as every person is liable for his or her own act, as we have the free will to decide on our fate and life. That's all. Thank you.